Hey, it's me. So guys, we're talking today. And what are we talking about? We're talking about the Ronin-S, my guy, my boy, my favorite thing that has ever happened to me. That's a little bit dramatic. So today we are going to be talking about the Ronin-S, and more specifically, my 1 year review of it. It's been about a year, it's been like 10 months, but still, same. Before I had the Ronin-S, I had the Ronin-M, which was this hunky boy. It was a thick boy. And I was looking for a stabilizer that would fit the 1DX, and the Ronin-S had just come out, and I was like, yeah, this would fit. It'll be a smaller gimbal, I can carry it in my backpack, and here we are a year later, and I still am obsessed with this thing. So going off of that, the first pro is going to be portability. I literally carry this in my backpack. It's so small, so portable. It's got pieces that detach too, so you can break it down really easily, and I'm able to fit it in my camera bag with my camera, my lenses, all the other equipment, no problem. I literally bring this thing everywhere. I bring this thing hiking, I bring it while I'm traveling. It's just super convenient. It is big, but it's not overwhelmingly large.
That's what she said.
It's big enough to where it's comfortable to hold, and it has a decent amount of weight on it, but it's nothing that's too crazy. I'm not like struggling to carry it, but it's great. I couldn't be happier. Could not be happier. Super portable, the grips are really nice. It's very durable. I did just go camping recently, and I brought it with me, and I had some drinks. I was drinking and I broke off the joystick. So I contacted DJI, who's the maker of the Ronin-S, and they were back to me super quick. They got all my information. They're just like, okay, great, we're gonna ship you out another one, and it's super cheap. And I'm like, great. That was literally the easiest thing ever. So DJI is a great company. That's where I got my drone from as well. No complaints, great customer support, great products. And the price of it is not crazy. It's not a crazy price for what you get. The price point is absolutely worth it. It's dropped since I bought it, so it's even cheaper now, and it's so worth it to get smooth footage on the go while you're moving. You're in this industry, you know it gets real expensive, and you got a budget for things outside of your camera, and I think that this is one of the most crucial things that you could possibly invest in. I recommend it to everybody. It's awesome, it's killer. So one of the problems that I was facing is my camera doesn't have a flip out monitor or LCD screen. And so I went ahead and got a small HD monitor to mount to the side using a small rig kind of off-brand attachment, which was super easy to assemble. I watched a video on it. I'll link that below if you're interested. And basically it attaches to the side of the gimbal, and then I'm able to feed that to my camera, and I can use it upside down. I can look at my monitor, get a real feel for what I'm actually recording instead of blindly recording, especially when I'm filming upside down. I don't know what the I'm filming, but with the monitor, now I do. So the battery life, this was like the biggest seller for me. It lasts so long. It's like one of the longest battery lives for equipment that I've ever seen. Especially for a gimbal, something that's very motorized, that has balancing things, and it's I don't know the science behind it, but you would feel like something like that would die pretty quick, but it lasts so long. I hardly charge this thing, and even when it's on flashing one battery, it'll still last me an entire shoot. It's killer. Cannot stress you enough how important that is to me. The cons, I guess, would be time to balance, but once you have it balanced, you already know that. I really can't think of anything. That's so weird. I think it's a great product. I really don't have anything bad to say about it at all. And I definitely think that you should get one if you don't have one already. This video is not sponsored at all whatsoever, not one bit, but I just really like the product and wanted to tell everybody how much I like the product. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep killing it.